Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm unboxing and showing the rockspace up to 6,000 square foot whole home mesh Wi-Fi system. Okay, so here are some technical details of the system right here. You can pause the video anytime and take a look. It has 802.11 AC right there, okay. And here's how you can set it up in your home. For instance, you can pause this video and take a look at the details. So it's plug and play. Once you get the main node set up with their free app, you can plug in the additional nodes. You can have many more than 3, so you can get 2 kits and just keep plugging in nodes and they'll copy their details off of the main node. So this is good for about 6,000 square feet, and this is a diagram of how you can set them up in your home. Of course, you'll want to have them a little closer than this far away, just so that they get very good signal. Now we'll go inside the box. There's 3 nodes that are extremely similar, but once you set up the first node, it could be this one, or this one, these then will copy the data off of the main node. So for instance, here's one node. It's quite light, has a nice fabric top to it. They do that because it might be visible in your home. On the bottom is where you have Ethernet ports. You have 2. It's also where you plug in the power. Here's the power plug for each one. They're identical for all 3. So it's not too big. We like that. And then let's get into the setup details. So we're going to scan over the manual really quickly, but you can pause the video at any time. That's where you scan the QR code to download the app, or you can just type in the name of the app. That's how you set it up with the app. It shows the LED. Set up the first mesh node with the app right there, and then it shows you the color of the LEDs of what they mean. Okay, and we'll flip this over. Again, you can pause this anytime to read this. This is the FAQ about how the device works. It's really as simple as turning everything on, downloading the app, signing in, and you're good to go. Because the rest of the mesh nodes will figure it out. It's pretty intuitive. The app is easy to use, as you saw in the manual. And here it is. There's no ports anywhere around. All you have is a little LED spot on the top to tell you what's going on. Otherwise, you can use the app and change settings and set it up. This is the rockspace mesh networking system. It comes with 3 nodes. Of course, you can buy another package or 2 to cover an even larger area at your residence or business. This can cover up to 6,000 square feet. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.